Welcome to 327 West 83rd Street, part of the flats on this special block.
Oui, the French flats.
These buildings were originally built in the 1890s.
Located in the historic West End Riverside district. Apartment 4B is a jewel of a one-bedroom with a fabulous renovated windowed kitchen. This beautiful kitchen features granite counters and backsplash, stainless appliances, a deep undermount sink with incredible storage.
With an open concept kitchen, this is perfect for entertaining.
Merci beaucoup.
The cozy living room has 3 large windows with soaring 9.5-foot ceilings. With an arched entry, it's even large enough for a dining table.
Look at the size of this bedroom. It's huge. Outside the oversized 16 by 13 bedroom in the hall, there's even more storage with a wall of closets and a renovated bathroom.
Talk about your closet space. Single, double, double. This windowed bathroom has beautiful marble stone tile work. Better yet, it's located just outside the bedroom to ensure privacy with guests. Shh, it's all about the privacy.
There are wonderful hardwood floors throughout and a formal entry gallery, perfect to display your artwork.
For value buyers, this has the lowest maintenance in this location for this size. In fact, the building already has the ability to compost. On the lower level, there's a large, modern laundry room and a private outdoor space just for residents.
Best of all, it's located on West 83rd Street, the block association famous for community building activities and events, and even a creative art show cylinder. But right outside your door on this serene tree-lined block is 253 acres of Riverside Park with views of the Hudson River, bike and hiking trails, picnic tables, tennis and pickleball courts nearby, and so much more.
If you'd like to see apartment 4B,
This renovated jewel at 327 West 83rd Street.
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.